What's up YouTube, this is TX Brad, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. Actually, it is a package unboxing. This package came from SwitchEasy, and I'm real excited to see what's all in it. And as you can see, it's kind of a big box, and it's got a little bit of weight to it, so I'm real excited to see what's in it. So let's go ahead and get into it. So it looks like you got a bunch of different cases for iPod Touch. You got a blue case, pastel blue, and a pastel green. These are special editions, it says on there. Let's see. You got a colors case. These are probably going to be all iPod Touch 4th generation cases. We got a yellow one, got a green, pink, let's see, we got black. These are all nice cases. Oh, nice. Okay, so we got purple. Oh, there's a lot more stuff in here, guys. They really loaded this box up. Let's see, here's a pastel light pink color. Move these over. Let's see, pastel purple. Let's see, we got a yellow case. Wow, I can't believe how much stuff is in here. They packed quite a bit in this box. Here's a orange one. Oh, these look nice. Let's see, Rebel Touch case. That one was in red. This one's in black. Another Rebel. What else we got? So we got a white case. Move these over. I don't know what. A lot of cases, guys. A lot of cases. Let's see. We got a white Rebel. Black Rebel. Okay, that looks like that's it for the iPod Touch cases. Now it looks like they gave me some iPad 2 cases as well. Got a Cover Buddy case, it's green. Put that there. Let's see. Got a Cara case for iPad 2. It's got some weight to it. That's a really nice case, y'all. And lastly, it looks like last, got another iPad 2 case, nude. It's a black case. Looks really nice. And that's it. So that was quite a bit. Quite a bit of cases. So guys, these are all the cases that SwitchEasy sent me. I'm really, really, really happy that they sent me all these cases. I never dreamed they would send me all these cases for review. This is awesome, guys. This is totally awesome. As you can see, there's quite a bit. There was quite a bit they put in the package. I never would have thought you could have fit all this in the package. But yeah, guys, this is awesome. So yes, please stay tuned. As you can see, there's going to be a whole lot of reviews that I'll be doing, case reviews. And I know some of y'all might be asking about the iPad cases. You're probably thinking, well, you don't have an iPad 2, so why you got some cases? I am planning to be getting an iPad 2 within the next couple of months, so naturally these cases will be reviewed then when I get the iPad 2. So yeah, guys, as you can see, there's quite a bit of stuff they sent. I really like to thank SwitchEasy and Zoltan for sending these cases out for review. I really appreciate it. You really hooked me up, Zoltan. I really appreciate this. And guys, please stay tuned. There's going to be a whole lot more reviews in the works, as you can see. And yeah, I believe there's going to be some giveaways in store too, because there's no way I can keep all these cases. So y'all stay tuned and be on the lookout for reviews and giveaways in the future. So guys, if you would, please comment, rate, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already done so, tell your friends about my channel, and stay tuned. Like I said, I'll have more reviews coming, as you can see, quite a bit. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you later.